Hello. Friday, and there's all of a sudden there's loads of traffic. I just had to. This camera is not unreliable, just very picky as to what charging cable it has. Some charging cables it likes, and some charging cable it doesn't like. I don't know what setting it's got on it now. I don't know what's happening. I had to do a factory restore. So anyway, we're off to the scrapyard. I haven't got a lot on, but I just want to empty the van out. So I'll be lucky if I get 40 quid.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Bashley Cross Road, B3055.
But we are going to get some light fittings because it's relatively close. I don't exactly know where it is actually.
Take the next left onto Bashley Cross Road, B3055.
Sat nav's playing up a bit.
Continue on B3055 for 1.5 miles.
Considering I'm on the south coast, the storm didn't really happen. We had a bit of flooding around, localised flooding, but that's nothing too unusual. So yeah, it wasn't too bad. This hole hasn't been filled in, so I'm gonna... Oh yes, it has been filled in. See how long that lasts. So I've finally made an appointment after a lot of nagging and moaning by the gorgeous Kira. I went ahead and made an appointment to see the doctor. I'm going on Tuesday. I've got bits falling off. I've got bits falling apart. Nothing's fallen off yet, but it's only a matter of time. But pain in me back, pain in me right buttock, which means my leg goes numb. Got a pain in my arm, pain in my neck. I've got a cough I can't get rid of. You know, I've had that now since I've had COVID. I just cannot shake this cold. It's just constant. It's rubbish. So hence the reason for the lack of videos, because I've just been feeling like shite really. Even going away, going on holiday to Holland, I wasn't brilliant when I got back. Well, I actually got worse as soon as I got back. So yeah, rubbish. So I haven't really... Oh my fucking God. Excuse the swearing. Well, don't excuse the swearing, because it was justified on that occasion. There are bloody holes in the road. Here now. So, yeah, it was, I don't know what I was even talking about then.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto A35.
So yeah, no, I've done nothing for about 3 weeks now. Yeah, no, nothing else. This is my 3rd week of doing absolutely knack all. And as much as the gorgeous Kira says, no, well, you don't need to, darling, you know. I feel like I need to. So I'm hoping that this week and this weekend will get me back into the swing of things. Maybe it's what I need.
Take the next left onto A35.
And because the gorgeous Kira's away, she's up at a conference in London. She left early hours this morning, so I had to take her to the train station. Gone up with a friend of hers
for half a mile.
for the old Sir Optimus. Up with the sat nav, it's not doing what it's supposed to do.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Ringwood Road.
Yeah, so she's gone up there for the weekend. She's back Sunday at some point. I don't know what time. And so I'm going to try and busy myself with collecting everything I can lay my hands on this weekend. If it's out there, I'm going to try and get it. Don't matter what it is or where it is within my geographical area.
Turn right onto Ringwood Road.
Oh, I'll put some meat in it. Oh, the old nippy side. Oh, come on, you could have gone a little faster there, my friend.
Continue on Ringwood Road for 2 miles.
So I've got a fairly full van, but it's all big stuff. It's all like exercise equipment. I've got a dishwasher. I've got 2 exercise bike stroke elliptical trainer type things. What else have I got on board? Parts of a trampoline. Yeah, not a great deal, but I don't know. Gets it out of the van, doesn't it? So we've got a clean sheet to start with on Sunday. I've got 2 bits of furniture to paint. I've got some uplisted, no bites yet. Well, we had 1 bite, little nibble, but it was time I give them the dimensions, it was too small. So we should have reasonable weather this weekend. It's the odd shower, but I can cope with that. And that is about it so far. Nothing much to report really. Can't think of anything that's happened of any note. I should really show you a little bit more about what I've got on board and shit like that, really, shouldn't I? Whether that's of any interest to you, I don't know. Got to get some new tyres for the van. They're starting to run a little low on the front, so I need 2 new ones at the front. They're 90 quid a piece. 90, 80 quid, I can't remember what I paid last time for the rear one. I had 2 rear, I got 2 rear, the rear tyres were in good nick. But one of them had you know, they're fairly new, but one of them had a bloody bulge in it. And I ran it for a bit, because it, you know, it was only a, you'd only see it if you look carefully. I thought, you know what, I just stay local. I'm not going to worry too much about it. I don't do any speed. 40 mile an hour is about as max as I go.
In a 1/4 mile, turn left onto Burley Road.
So I left it for a bit, and I thought, no, let's get it sorted. So I took it in there, and they said, no, it's gone. And so I got a new one put on the back. So the 2 rear ones are fine.
Take the next left onto Burley Road, then turn right onto Ringwood Road.
Yeah. There's a left and a right here.
Turn right onto Ringwood Road. In a 1/4 mile, turn left onto Derrett Lane.
Blimey, he's just in the edge there. Yeah, so that's about it. I've got to go left around here somewhere. Yeah, I don't know nothing else. All is
Take
quiet.
the next left onto Derrett Lane.
All is quiet on the western front.
Continue for 2 miles.
What does that say? Road closed ahead. Yeah, bloody better not be. Road ahead closed. See, this is where... What road is closed? This car's coming down. Is it a road that's closed off to the left or the right that's closed, or is it this road that's closed? I don't know. Find out in a minute, won't we? It should say the next road on the left is closed. Oh, Jesus Christ! There's cars coming down here. No, road's bloody closed. Ugh, Jesus. Right. Well on Google, you didn't tell me that, did you?
Take the next left towards Armwood Drive, then turn right onto Armwood Drive.
Google, you are.
Take the next right onto Armwood
Useless.
Drive, then turn right at Marriott
Oh,
Way.
shut up. So this is the palaver now.
Take the next right towards Derrett Lane, then turn right onto Derrett Lane. Take the next right onto Derrett Lane.
No.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto West Road.
Okay. So we've got to go slightly convoluted route.
Take the next right onto West Road.
Oh, it's telling me to go down there. No, I'm not going down there.
In 200 yards, turn right onto Ringwood Road. Take the next right onto Ringwood Road. In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Burley Road.
Why couldn't you told me that earlier? So anyway, I'm off to Bournemouth. I'm collecting a whole load of wall lights. And the reason I'm going to collect a load of wall lights is you say, oh, there's no weight in those. Well, some of them look like they're brass. Or at least aluminium, or possibly even stainless steel. So it's worth a punt. It's worth a go.
Take the next right onto Burley Road.
If I see a lay-by, I'm actually going to pull over and try and sort this sat-nav out because it's not doing what it needs to be doing, really. And therefore, it's getting quite
Continue on Burley
difficult
Road
to
for
read.
2 miles.
Don't come down here very often. It's a new road for you. Don't think I've ever taken you down here before. There's a pub down here called the Carpenter's Arms. that Avon Causeway is flooded out, so I'm not even too hopeful that I can get this way. Really. Let's find out. We'll have a look and see what the floodwater's doing. There's Cutler's Arms. Windy road, the windy bumpy road. So we're sort of halfway between Christchurch and Ringwood here, ish. Tractor. Funny old trailer. It's a weird bin on the back, what is it? Yeah, don't know what that is. Going so slow, somebody wandering along the road. There's a pub down here called the Lamb. I think this is the Lamb at Wington. It's still going, that pub. Yeah, the Lamb at Wington. Looks really nice. We went in there for Mother's Day about 4 or 5 years ago. Oh my god. Horrendous.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Salisbury Road, B3347.
I had we were waiting that long for the food. I went and made. I said, look, hang on a minute, what's going on here? And the woman said, look, we're having a nightmare in the kitchen. I said, yeah, but I can see my dinner's been sat under the hot plate for 10 minutes.
Take the next right onto Salisbury Road, B3347.
I said, I can see it there. Because I heard the woman go, I heard one of the waitresses go, yeah, table 4, whatever table number it was. And it just sat there because none of the others was ready. So I just saw my dinner sitting there. I said, look, what's going on? He said, my food's drying out, all going potentially cold and just horrible, you know. And she said, you're the landlady? She said, yeah, I am the landlady. And I've just about had enough. I'm about to close the kitchen and shut the pub down.
Continue on Salisbury Road for half a mile.
you got to sort us out here. We're just doing that. Oh, look at that water there. Oh my word. We'll see if we can get across here. I don't know whether we're going to be able to. It's pretty well flooded. So yeah, it didn't end well. We didn't have a dessert because they couldn't be asked in the kitchen. It was shocking. We were in there about 3 hours, and not because we wanted to, just because it took so bloody long. I'm not even entirely sure that we had starters. I think we just went straight in. And the other thing is, it was pre-booked, so they knew exactly what we were going to have because it was Mother's Day, and you
turn
had
left
the book.
onto Ringwood Road, B3347.
And it was a set menu, so they knew what it was. You know, how difficult can it be? Oh, I should have pulled in there. It's not good.
Take the next left onto Ringwood Road, B3347.
So I don't know why that road is shut.
Continue on Ringwood Road for 3/4 of a mile.
Anyway, right, I'll just get to this bridge and then I'll turn you off. Because it gets a bit boring otherwise, and you've heard me waffling on for long enough. I haven't coughed my lungs up yet. I feel like I could do it any moment though. And it does look like it might rain.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Avon Causeway.
Well, there's vehicles going across, but it's looking a bit floody.
Take the next left onto Avon Causeway.
I don't know how much of this you're going to see actually. Let's hope you get to see a bit.
Continue on Avon Causeway for 1.5 miles.
See any of that over there? Well and truly burst its banks, look. Oh, I could have pulled in there, dickhead. Still a bit of water around here. Don't come over on my side of the road, sunshine, just because there's a puddle on yours. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh yeah, a bit of water down here. Get any of that? Right. Oh, that's me covering my lungs up. Anybody thought I'd done 40 Rothmans a day? Ah, I don't even smoke. Never have done. I need to sort this sat nav out. It's not giving me the right information at all. Right, I'll speak to you all later.